Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can convert MP4 file to MP3 file using VLC Media Player. So as you can see here, I have a MP4 file which is a video file and it has some sound also. Okay, and I want to convert this MP4 file to MP3 file. Let's see in the properties. This is an MP4 file, .mp4 as you can see here. So now open your VLC Media Player. You can download it for free from its website and then go to media and then go to convert save, and in here you need to choose your file, which one you want to convert. So this one is my file which I want to convert. So choose the destination where from you want to convert your file and click open. Now click convert save button here, and in here you need to select convert type, which format you want to convert your file, and select the destination where you want to save your file. So just browse for destination. For example, I want to save my MP3 file alongside my MP4 file. Now it's important to give a name of your file and check the file extension MP3 or not, which you select for convert. And then you need to just start converting. So now as you can see here, I have created this MP3 file here. You can check its properties. And as you can see here, now it's .mp3 file. So I hope this video will be very helpful for you to convert a video in any format. To get more this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.